Hello, my name is Muhammad Mustaqim from Pre-Deep Insight. The topic I choose to present in this video is ionic bonding and covalence bonding in chapter 6. Before discussing in more depth in this topic for ionic bonding and covalence bonding, I, I would like to introduce a meanings of chemical bonds. Chemical bonds is a strong attractive force that exists between atoms in a substance. What is a substance? Substance is a chemical material is form of matter having a constant chemical composition and characteristic properties. Now we go to ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is a formed by the transfer the valence electron between a matter and non-matter. Now we discuss to the matter and the non-matter. In this diagram, this is a Lewis structure for the representative elements have a electropositive elements and electronegative elements. Electropositive element is from group 1, 2 and 13. For the electronegative elements is from group 14, 15, 16 and 17. Electropositive elements is a loose valence electron to form cation is a positive charge. And for the electronegative elements is a accept valence electron to form anions is a negative charge. Now we go to example. Before we go to example, I would like to explain what the elements, what the dot around the elements. This is a Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol is same to valence electron. Now we go to example. Example is sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is a one valence electron and oxygen have a 6 valence electron. One valence electron is the transfer to the oxygens. Sodium is a cations and oxygen is a anion. From this is will present to a sodium positive charge and oxygens negative to charge. Now we go to covalence bonding. Covalence bonding is a bond formed by the sharing of pair of the elements between non-matter and non-matter having the same electronegativities. They have a 3 type of covalence bonding. First is a single covalence bond, double covalence bond and triple covalence bond. Now we go. This is a single covalence bond. Single covalence bond have a one straight line. This is a left and right carbon and left carbon. One valence from the left carbons and one's valence from the right carbons will be joined and get the one straight line. This is to same to the double covalent bond. They will be joined and get two straight line. And same to 3. They will be joined and 3 straight line, triple covalent bond. Now we go to example. Example is 2 hydrogen, 2 and oxygen or water. Water has 1 covalent bond and they will be sharing. And form the share pair of electron like this. One from hydrogen will share the one from oxygen, same form to this, and form a one straight line and one straight line. This is a single bond. It will be related to double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Now we go to physical properties. Covalence compound. For the physical properties to covalence compound is electrical insulator, low melting and boiling point, soluble in water or polar solvent, but soluble in non-polar solvent or organic compound. And to ionic bonding, physical properties is good electrical conductor, high melting and boiling point, soluble in water but insoluble in non-polar solvent. What is hard and brittle crystalline solid? Crystalline solid is same to the R factor, but they will be electricity when a molten the process is heated or aqueous solution in process in liquid. Thank you for watching this video, and I apologize for my inconvenience, and see you next time.